OKRs are normally built on a quarterly basis, starting from the first day of your financial year. However, this depends on the culture of your company and its departments. Quarterly OKRs are most realistic on a team level, while organizations sometimes set annual objectives and adjust according to long-term company strategies and missions. It is not uncommon for objectives that take longer than one quarter to be retained for next quarter. They are an iterative process that allows you the ability to shift and pivot your goals in order to be better prepared to tackle them next time around. Similarly, OKRs can be set on a shorter cycle than quarterly. This is more often done by individual employees for personal growth goals or initiatives that have unique timelines. Frequently checking in to update OKRs regularly is more important than most people think. There are two main reasons why. Frequent check-ins help you maintain transparency with your team and increase your success rate. Transparency is a key attribute of OKR. Transparency doesn't end with defining your OKRs and sharing them with your coworkers. Sharing the steps toward an objective or a key result is just as important. When you update OKRs regularly, every achievement matters, and it's important to show your coworkers how you are progressing. When people feel in the loop, you'll find that it unleashes a constructive, positive energy in the organization. It is motivating to see for yourself what other team members are up to. After all, you're all in the same boat. Research has found that monitoring progress to achieve a goal increases the likelihood that you will attain that goal. The same research also found that your chances of success are even higher when you report your progress publicly. They found that prompting participants to monitor their progress increased the likelihood that the participants would achieve that goal, and the more frequent the monitoring, the more likely they were to succeed. How frequent is frequent? A best practice is to update progress on a weekly basis, although we also see many users updating progress more and even less frequently for specific use cases. Profit also sends out a weekly report which contains an overview of action items that need to be taken care of. By updating progress at least once a week, users ensure that anyone that checks how the organization is doing will have a good overview of where each individual, team, and the entire company stands. This best practice is what we would recommend to every organization. Regardless of which tool or methodology you're currently using, updating your progress on important goals and sharing it with your coworkers at least once a week will help you boost collaboration, motivation, happiness, and success across your team.